kids, it's story time. Today, we're going to learn a super fun lesson with Sammy Squirrel. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Once upon a time, in a big, beautiful forest, there lived a cheerful squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved to play all day long and munch on yummy acorns, but Sammy had a little secret. He was also a very smart squirrel. One sunny day, while Sammy was playing, he noticed that the trees were full of acorns. He got super excited and thought about eating all the yummy acorns right away. But then, he remembered something very important that his mommy had told him. "Sammy," she had said, "always save some acorns for days when you can't find any." So, Sammy decided to do something very clever. Instead of eating all the acorns, he made a small pile to save for later. He hid them under a little bush and marked the spot with a bright leaf. Days passed, and the weather turned cold. The trees were bare, and there were no acorns to be found anywhere. All the other animals were hungry and sad. But not Sammy. He remembered his secret stash. He went to the little bush, moved the bright leaf, and there it was, his pile of yummy acorns. Sammy was so happy he had listened to his mommy. Now, he had plenty of acorns to eat, even when there were none on the trees. He learned an important lesson that day. Always plan ahead and save some for later. It made his life so much easier. So, little friends, just like Sammy Squirrel, remember to save a little bit today for a time when you might need it. It's always good to plan ahead and be prepared. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be just as happy as Sammy was, knowing you have something saved up for later. Thanks for listening to Sammy's story, kids. Keep saving and planning, and I'll see you next time.